How to log into your Temu account. Shopping on Temu is easier when you are logged in into your account, giving you access to your order history, exclusive deals, and a personalized shopping experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to log into your Temu account step by step. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Temu app on your device. If not, you can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store. Now I can launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. At the bottom, you'll find a fun option. Click on the option of View. Now click on the option of Sign in or Register. Now go ahead and provide your credentials, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or phone number. You can use these options only in the case you have used these options to create your account, or else you can directly enter your credentials. Type in the email address. After you type in, you can click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you type in, click on Sign in. And just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. Accessing your account allows you to enjoy a seamless shopping experience with Temu. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.